Bengaluru has been ranked the second most congested city in the world in 2025, according to the TomTom traffic index released by Netherlands-based location technology firm TomTom. The report stated that Bengaluru recorded an average congestion level of 74.4%, placing it just behind Mexico City, which topped the list. Dublin ranked third in the global congestion index. Compared to the previous year, Bengaluru's congestion level rose by 1.7 percentage points. On an average, drivers covered only 4.2 kilometers in 15 minutes, while a 10-kilometer drive took around 36 minutes and 9 seconds. During peak hours, the average driving speed in the city dropped to 13.9 kilometers per hour. The report identified May 17th as Bengaluru's worst travel day when congestion peaked at 101%. At 6 p.m. on that day, congestion surged to 183%, reducing the distance covered in 15 minutes to just 2.5 kilometers. 6 other Indian cities featured among the top 35 most congested cities globally. Pune ranked 5th with 71.1% congestion, followed by Mumbai at 18th, New Delhi at 23rd, Kolkata at 29, Jaipur at 30, and Chennai at 32nd. TomTom said the index is based on anonymized trip data covering more than 3.65 trillion kilometers driven worldwide across metropolitan and central city road networks.